Hi guys, and welcome back to Cash Bright. Chris here, and in this video I want to review Moderna's stock, which has climbed over 350% since the start of 2020. Now Moderna is a biotech company which, like several others, is conducting clinical trials in an effort to be the first to develop a vaccine to COVID-19. I've been watching this stock for a while, as well as others such as Inovio, Pfizer and Novavax, and I have to say that the market really is on the edge of its seat to buy stock in any company that shows the smallest glimmer of developing a viable vaccine. You know, I often talk about the disparity between how the stock market acts in relation to what's actually happening on Main Street and the wider economy. And I think there's also a disparity between the market's expectations and the science supporting our chances of developing a vaccine. A vaccine which not only will save lives, something which of course should be our primary aim, but also can be marketed and produce healthy returns for these anxious investors. There's a simple truth to what's going on here. People in general don't like to think about the negatives of a situation, and so consequently tend to ignore them when investing on the stock market. The slightly sobering reality to which I'm referring is that scientists have never, at any point in our history, come up with a vaccine to a coronavirus. The virus currently affecting all of our lives belongs to a larger group of coronaviruses, which, along with rhinoviruses, are recognised as major causes for the common cold. Now everyone gets a cold at numerous points in their lives, and yet the opportunity appears to have been missed for decades for big pharma companies to develop a vaccine. Why? The reason for this is of course because first, developing any vaccine is incredibly difficult, and second, scientists have found it even more difficult to produce a vaccine for any of the previously known coronaviruses. My point in this video is that, once again, investors in Moderna and other biotech companies appear to be suffering from the effects of groupthink and FOMO, aka a fear of missing out. These investors may even know that the odds of developing a successful vaccine anytime within the next year are lower than many believe, but they don't critically challenge this even to themselves, and they go along with the prevailing winds to buy up Moderna stock. After all, it is technically true that Moderna might actually be the first to develop a vaccine, and no one wants to miss out on owning a slice of that breakthrough, do they? But this way of thinking is, to put it mildly, misguided, as of course there is every chance a vaccine will come from another company, or even not come at all. It's quite common for biotech companies to spend enormous sums of money developing a drug, only to find out that its efficacy is not high enough to be used as a medical treatment. What's really going on with Moderna, as well as other biotech stocks, is simply a case of investors placing their bets. Now, I don't know about you, but if I'm going to invest my money, I want to know that I have a solid chance of making a good return. I do not want to bet on a horse which some are tipping to win the race, only to lose it all as some other horse sweeps in from left field to cross the line in first place. So, if you want my advice about Moderna's steep price rise during 2020, it's as follows. Don't get caught up in this scramble to buy the stock. I really want to be optimistic and to be proven wrong, as it would also be fantastic news for billions of people on this planet, but I strongly suspect that the reality of the situation is that the company faces many more serious obstacles to achieve its goal, and there is every chance that investors will end up being disappointed and out of pocket once we all transition into living a new normal with this virus. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And until the next time, stay sharp, stay hungry, and stay cash bright.